Hi, how's it going? I'm Chris with ACC Roofing, and if you're watching this video, we're in your neighborhood right now as part of our No Roof Left Behind campaign. We don't want you to miss out, and I want to give you 5 reasons why you should let my company inspect your roof right now. Number 1, no one likes to be taken advantage of, and I don't think it's fair that the insurance company has raised your rates, they've raised your deductible, but they have failed to call to tell you that you may have hidden wind and hail damage. Now I know what you're thinking. I don't have a leak right now, but a lot of times wind and hail cannot be seen from the ground, and normally it's not going to leak right away. Number 2, when you replace your roof, you retain 70% of that value when you sell your home. Your home won't sell if it has roof damage, and by that time, it's going to be too late to file a claim. Number 3, my company, ACC Roofing, we install a better quality roof. On average, we install $2,000 worth of free upgrades that the insurance company does not pay for. We upgrade all of our customers to synthetic felt. We use an architectural shingle that has a lifetime warranty from the manufacturer and is much thicker than builder grade shingles. We install ice and water shield not only in the valleys, but also around all penetrations so your roof will never leak. Number 4, when you replace your roof, not only do you add value to your property and protect your most important investment, but you add value to the entire neighborhood. Number 5, you may be growing mold in your attic. I can't tell you how many times I found small leaks in the attic that the homeowner was unaware of because they never saw any stains on their ceiling. Unchecked, these small leaks begin growing mold and create an unsafe environment for you and your family. So click the link below, fill out the form, and we'll contact you within the next 24 hours for a free, truly no obligation roof inspection. We're going to give you the truth about your roof. We're going to take photos and provide you with a complete damage report. We're going to work with your insurance company, guiding you along each step of the way. While we're in the neighborhood, for the first 5 people that mention this ad, we have a $500 Visa gift card for every roof replacement. So click the link below, fill out the form, and we'll see you soon.